Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with hashtag Artism Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. And his prompt for this week, week 10, is buttons. And here's what I did. So I did the rainbow of buttons. So what I did is I just made like a back sky scenery with clouds, and then I just hot glued some different color buttons in a rainbow shape and just wrote the rainbow of buttons. That's kind of cool. So that is my week 10. I'm having fun with these. This was last week's, was watercolor. My book's getting pretty thick. I'll end up with 2 books, I know that already, but that's alright. So that is my week 10 buttons. I can't wait to see everybody else's. And as always, thanks for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and go check out everybody else's.